Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to change username in Windows 11. How to do this? Let's start. Click on Windows 11 icon and search in search bar Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. On the screen, now change the view by large icon. Now you will find here User Accounts option. Now you can see here our username is HeroDevice. Now we are going to change. Click on Change Account Name. Now write the name of username. It can be something. I write here new username. And now click on Change Name option. This easy and simple step that you can follow to change username in Windows 11. We can see change username in Windows settings. Now go into setting and click on accounts. You can see here our username has been changed. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.